Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshot with power button in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from Google Chrome page. I open Google Chrome, and to take a screenshot, what you have to do is press power button and volume down button together. Okay, these two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. Just press them together to take a screenshot. Yes, screenshot is taken. To take a long screenshot, again you go to do the same. You have to go to the page and then go to side of our phone, and then press power button and volume down button together, and then click on enlarging icon in the captured image, and the image will be enlarged in case if you have longer page. Okay, suppose if you want to stop here, just click over the image and it will be stopped. This is the long screenshot that you have taken using power button and volume down button. Okay, so in this way you can easily take screenshot with power button in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.